TLM Foot-Knee-Back-Arm Orthotics Center is an award-winning medical center in Singapore, providing bespoke and non-invasive full-body treatments for patients with musculoskeletal, neurological and circulatory system conditions. TLM is founded by President and Chief Orthotist Professor Lee Ming in 1997, and we lead the Singapore's orthotics industry by creating revolutionary treatments with high success rate using TLM's orthotic technology. Musculoskeletal system conditions generally affect the muscles, bones, joints and associated tissues such as tendons and ligaments. They are typically characterized by pain, often persistent and chronic, due to inflammation, and severely limits mobility, dexterity and functional ability. Some of the most common musculoskeletal system conditions that we treat at TLM are knee osteoarthritis, ankle pronation, bunion and overlapping toes, heel spur, plantar fasciitis, slip disc, and scoliosis. Our company's founder and chief orthotist, Professor Lee Ming, specializes in treating patients with foot, knee and back pain caused by musculoskeletal system conditions. She worked in different hospitals for the past 20 years in various clinical departments such as orthopedics, sports medicine, pain management, rehabilitation medicine, physiotherapy, neurology and hand surgery. She improved the design of orthoses to use them as a form of non-invasive medical treatment rather than for simply holding and supporting injured or deformed joints. Therefore, she developed a unique orthotic insole and footwear treatment system using TLM's orthotics technology to push the boundaries of the orthotics industry. Almost all patients see improvements after treatment and many recovered fully from their musculoskeletal system conditions. Each pair of orthotic insoles and orthotic footwear are produced at the center and designed specifically for their wearer. They help a patient's body find its ideal balancing position and corrects body alignment back to how it was before deformation, which improves the patient's body structure and posture. TLM's orthotic insoles and orthotic footwear are used to treat over 95% of our patients. No medication, injection or surgery is needed. Patients also shown improvements in other related illnesses such as diabetes, high blood pressure, varicose veins, swollen ankle and even Parkinson's disease during treatment. We have successfully cured many illnesses non-surgically over the years. These are some of the treatment results that can be achieved by our orthotic insoles and orthotic shoes. These foot molds taken from a patient who had bunion and high arch with a curved foot. She recovered from these illnesses after treatment. These X-rays were taken by another patient in 2016. He recovered naturally after 4 years of bunion treatment with us. This patient had bow leg and swollen knee. After wearing TLM's orthotic insoles and footwear during 2 hours of training, the swelling improved and knees became straighter. This is an 84-year-old patient with severe bow leg and varicose veins. He is able to bend his leg at 90 degrees and the varicose veins disappeared after 1 year of treatment. This is a 13-year-old patient who recovered from scoliosis after wearing orthotic insoles and custom-made scoliosis brace for 14 months. These are some of the expected treatment results for other musculoskeletal system illnesses. These positive results will benefit our patients for the rest of their life, allowing them to get back on their feet, improve their health and live a painless and fulfilling life. Our dedication to excellence and providing the best care for our patients has won us recognition in Singapore and abroad. We received many local and international awards from 2015 to 2022. We also make customized insoles and customized footwear for people who have not developed musculoskeletal system conditions. They provide a form of prevention against such illnesses in the future. If you are interested to know more, visit us at www.tlmbrace.com.sg.